Lalakasan nga ako. Hindi ko na kaya yun. Hindi kaya ng 24.
Pero please bear with me kasi yung sasabihin ko po dito, hindi ko po madalas nasasabi sa kanila, lalo na kay Mami and kay Tito. So, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I want to thank God for making this moment possible, for giving my family the grace to be here and guiding every guest na andito safely. I also wish for your guidance hanggang makauwi silang lahat. And thank you for making me survive in 2021. I know you are there guiding me on the path that I should be on. This verse po is already said ng tita ko, but I will say po, sabihin ko po ulit na, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plan to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah verse 29, chapter 11. Second, feel ko makikringe si Mami dito kasi K-pop hater si Mami. Pero, thank you Park Jung-woo. Alam ko, wait lang, alam ko cheesy po to, pero there's a one person who knows why this K-pop idol saves me a lot. Maria Isabel, you know that. Thank you for being a reason to survive and to see how beautiful the world can offer to me back then. Life would have been black and white, but you are my golden. My one and only lifeline, also happy birthday, Park Jung-woo. Next, to my senior high school friends, Ruby, Gab, Anshe, Simon, Joanne, Sian, Jasmine, Jamila, Micaela, Chiniri, Ace, Isabel, Dexy, thank you for being there. Thank you for making my school year truly bearable and enjoyable. Hindi po ba ako nag-gab? Sorry. Gab. All the pagod, puyat, at stress become worth it because I had you beside me. Also, gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa PR group ko. Thank you for being there sa grade 12. You were my rant buddies, my study buddies, and my sibling during those 2 years. Special mention to Zai and Anshe for being my core and for sharing so many memories with me. I will always treasure these memories with all of you. To my elementary friends, Genesis, Raven, thank you for being there through my ups and downs back then. Your existence means a lot to me. And thank you for always helping me and being a shoulder to lean on. To my titos and titas, thank you for always guiding and supporting me. I truly appreciate all of you, even the smallest words and effort you did. A special mention po kay Tita Raquel and Tita Mylene for always guiding me. Kay Tita Raquel po na always niya ako welcome sa bahay nila. Si Tita Mylene po na laging nag-guide and nagbibigay ng payo to adulthood simula dati hanggang ngayon. Thank you po. To my ninang, kahit na nag-aaway kami dati, ngayon nakakasundo ko na siya. Siya rin po yung unang nagbibigay sa akin ng mga adult advices kahit sobrang bata ko pa noon, hindi ko alam bakit. Pero I truly appreciate that. And next, sa mga nakakasama namin sa bahay, all of them are so good to us, especially to me. Kay ate, kakay, na naiintindihan na yung pagiging maldita ko or mainisin ko. Thank you, ate kakay. Huwag ka umalis sa amin, please. And to ate Mona, thank you, lalo na sa effort mo ngayon. Next, to the services that made this debut presentable and wonderful. First po, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Jet Photography, lalo na kay Sir Reggie. Super effort na po since pretty po. Nadulas pa po siya ng 3 beses. Makuha lang po yung shoot na gusto niya. I swear to God po, kung gusto niyo po ng photography, Jet po, promise po. Lalo na po si Kuya Reggie, 10/10. Passionate palette events and catering for accommodating and replying to all of my message, even sa team na gusto ko, na-achieve po nila to. Thank you po and for the food. And to all photographers and videographers who captured images to make this debut memorable. to the makeup artist who made my look very nice, and to the MC and sound system who entertained or make entertain the guests. Thank you po. And next, to all of the K-pop groups I stand, Thai actors and actresses, and even the fictional characters who become part of my youth, thank you for opening my mind to different perspectives, helping me understand every situation with a wider heart, and for the shows and series that gave me comfort and relaxation when I need it the most. Gusto ko lang po sabihin yung word na lagi kong pinangahawakan sa favorite character ko from PC sa Maiwaga Ayon na let's always choose to be kind to everyone kasi magulo na yung mundo. Hindi na natin pwedeng paguluhin pa. So always choose to understand everyone. And to the cotillion dancers who put so much effort and nagkaroon pa ng other tasks na magkabisado ng steps. Thank you, Aja, Gag, Dim, Cyber, JM, Dudong, lalo na po si Dudong, sobrang sakit daw po ng katawan niya ngayon. Saysay and Natalie, thank you po. And to their supportive parents po na pinayagan yung anak nila, thank you po. And to everyone who's been here, everyone who's been with me since I was a child and put in the effort to be here, thank you po. And last but not the least, to Maria Isabel Balajay, I will make this long, but I want you to know how deeply grateful I am for you. I'm so thankful that in this lifetime, I had the chance to have you by my side. Every year, you have been there with me, and your presence has always been a source of strength and comfort. Thank you, and sana alam mo, you were one of the biggest reasons we I survived the 2021. You know what happened that time. Thank you, Isa. And before I end this, meron pa po, as I step into adulthood, I want to take this time to express my gratitude to the people who have been part of my childhood, who embraced and shaped me for who I am and my special persons. To my grandparents, Nanay Medi and Tatay Jaime, kay Tatay Jaime na sobrang soft-spoken nga at laging handang maupos para lang may maibigay sa amin. Kahit maikling panahon na kita nakasama, naramdaman ko pa rin ang pagmamahal mo. At sana ginagabayan mo kami sa taas. At to Nanay Meli, may one call away. Salamat sa pag-alaga at paggabi sa akin ng bata ko. Kahit nagtatrabaho ka, iniisip ko pa rin kung paano ako at kung sino yung makakasama ko. Yung, alam ko, friend ko po si Mami, kinagkwento niya natin sa FB niya na kapag nag-work si Nanay, sinasama niya ako doon para alam niyo na po yun. You are a selfless woman who's always willing to give everything, lalo na kapag alam mong mapapasaya kami. Palagi kang nandyan kapag kailangan ko, kapag may mga events at palaging nagmamahal sa akin. Gusto ko lang ito isingit na nung bata ako, lagi sinasabi ni Nanay sa kanila. Kapag walang gustong sumalo sa'yo, nandyan siya palagi para kunin ako. So, thank you, Nanay. Pero isip po talaga si Nanay siya, pangako una nagsabi na bawal ako mag-boyfriend. Pero ngayon po sa mga pinsan ko yan, pumapayag na raw po siya. Pero she's one of the sweetest lola ever. Hanggang ngayon nga tawag niya pa rin po sa amin, baby. Isa pag nasa labas po kami, nakikita ka reaction ng mga tao kasi hindi tinatawag niya. Pero I know that Nanay was the best and we could not ask for anything. And you know what I wish sa'yo na birthday mo, na sana kapag may capability na ako na i-treat ka, just like what you did to me, you still be here beside me. Wait lang pala. And to Mama Nene and Papa Gani, salamat kasi kayo ang unang nagparamdam sa akin ng buo na pamilya. Noong bata ako, tuwing nagsisimba, gumagala, or kumakain tayong tatlo sa labas. You know, all that memories we have been through. I feel so weird and happy that time. Lagi ko wini-wish na maging ganun hanggang pagtanda ko. At nasa susunod naman, ako na yung magbibigay sa inyo. Si Mama at Papa na laging nandiyan at nagtuturo sa akin ng mga gawaing bahay. Kahit sinasabi po ni Mami na tamad ako, di po talaga ako tamad. Huwag po kayo maniniwala sa post ni Mami na tamad po ako, wala pong totoo to. Wala naman. Si Papa po yung nagturo sa akin na magsaing magbugas. Dati nanonood pa ako sa kanya magbugas kasi ang interesting. Pero nung natutuhan ko na po, ayaw ko na magbugas. Tapos, at sa paglabas, si damit, si Mama. Sa pagsaing, si Mama at Papa. Tapos, si Papa po, he's the best that I could ever ask for na lolo. Kasi, please no offense, walang magkagalit sa akin, pero si Papa po yung parang unang nag-shape sa pagkatao ko. Siya yung simula nursery hanggang grade 10 ako, andyan si Papa, kahit grade 10 po ako, siya pa po nag-iinit ng tubig sa akin sa madaling araw, siya pa po nagluluto ng almusal ko sa madaling araw. Basta si Papa po, he's the first person I could ever ask na babalik-balikan palagi. And to Mama, I hope you know how thankful I am. Lalo na pag nagtatayi ka ng mga uniform ko kasi di na lang nagastos si Mami. Si Mama po kasi mahigpit ko si Mama sa akin na high school ako. Kaya dun ko po natutuhan na kapag may curfew po na binigay sa akin, kailangan ko po sundin kasi natatakot po ako pagalitan. And yun naman po yung sabi niya na ginagawa niya yun kasi maiintindihan ko rin pagtanda ko. And it means a lot to me kasi nung pumunta ako kay Mami, kasi si Mami hindi siya masyado maluwag po na tao, so hindi ko rin po inaabuso yun. Kapag lumalabas po ako with friends, alam ni Mami na hindi po ako lumalagpas ng 10, pero pag concert po hanggang alaun. Sorry. Ayan, si Mama at Papa po yung una naka-memorize ng ugali ko. Kapag parang feel na po nasisigawan ko kayo, hindi po ako galit nun. Hindi po ako galit, so please bear with me. Never ko naisip na malayo ako sa inyo, pero sana lagi niyong alalahanin na kahit malayo man ako sa inyo, walang araw na hindi ko pinagdasal ang kaligtasan yung dalawa at kaginhawaan sa buhay. And to my daddy Michael and Tita Rowena, who still let me experience to have a father and a family even for a period of time. Salamat for making an effort when I was a child na magbakasyon sa inyo or sumama sa work ni Tita. I really appreciate all the efforts and memories you both gave me from when I was a child till now. And to my big brother, Cyberneil Laput, you were my day one, my first baby, oh my God. Thank you for being a brother who I can lean on and rant on whenever I need to crash out something. Yung pag magkatabi tayo, binabaksam natin si Mami. Thank you, Cyber, for nakikinig ka sa akin. Mahal ka ni Ate palagi. And last but not least, to my core and favorite person, si Mami and si Tito Noel. Nabanggit naman na po ni Mami sa FB, kung friend po si Mami sa FB, kung gaano po kabayad si Tito, and gaano po katotoo yun. Totoo po yung lahat. Wait na pala ako. Sorry. I don't want to Mami po muna. Since I was to Mami na laging nakaalalay sa akin, hindi man palagi, pero sinusubukan niya naman simula bata ako. Kaya pag hindi niya talaga kaya, hindi ko rin naman pinipilit, except lang sa concert. Wala, ayaw nun eh. Parang ayaw na kayo tuloy. Nawawala na siya. Words are not enough to say how thankful I am to Tito and kay Mami and how proud I am to the both of them. Minsan nga nakakalimutan niyo na kasama niyo ako sa journey niyo from small motor to culture, you all know that. Did we go too far o malayo pa pero malayo na? I hope you both know na proud ako sa inyo and every small achievement you have achieved. I'm there smiling and clapping silently to mami na lagi nakaalalay sa akin. Pero siguro ngayon afford mo na yung 1 year fee per week ko, please. And since I was a child, she gave me everything when she can. I will always be a thankful daughter because I know in this lifetime I had you and in every lifetime lagi kitang pipiliing maging nanay. We are not a perfect mother and daughter kasi hindi po kami magkasundo minsan sa mga saloobin. Pero I know in my heart na naiintindihan niya rin ako. Yung ibang LSM po, mababasa niyo na po yung sa FB ni Mami. Kasi di ba po, mahaba siya mag-post. Ando na po yung lahat. And lastly po, appreciation kay Tito Novella. Hindi po kasi ako vocal kay Tito. Pero yung... Ano po, I don't want to make this long, pero salamat sa lahat ng effort na binigay mo simula dati. Yung from Pasig to Muntinlupa, to Pasig after ng work niya, kahit pang gabi siya or pang umaga, hindi siya nagreklamo. Totoo po yung pinapost ni Mami na hindi po talaga nagreklamo si Tito. Nonchalant lang po talaga siya, tignan niyo po siya ngayon. I am grateful to you kahit meron man o walang-wala. I will never forget how you spent your salary noong 7th birthday ko. Up until now, ikaw pa rin yung gumagastos. You always give his full effort. Hindi lang po sa akin, kahit sa mga kapatid ko po, baka sabihin niyo po favoritism ko. Years change, but you never change for being who you are nang pinakilala ka ni Mami hanggang ngayon. I hope you know na in my heart, you will always have a special part of it. Thank you for accepting Mami, for being there for me, and for everything you have done. Thank you, Tito. Kahit nonchalant talaga siya, guys. To end this message to all of my visitors, friends, family who have been there, all of you will always be my best memories. Just like what 70s lyrics and Kidon said, yung pinatutog po sa na let's love even in our hidden sorrows, and tomorrow I will live like a child who has grown up a lot like a grown-up child. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mag-iingat po kayo.
Okay!